trying to find a way out. Freestyle juggler John Mandrage hoping to juggle his way out of lethal in St. Thomas. 20-year-old John Mandrage is pinning his hopes on making it big out of lethal St. Thomas with this football. Football is all the former Happy Grove student thinks about. Not professional football though, but the freestyle version.
Maybe I'm good enough to be a professional footballer, but we have a lot of players in Jamaica that want to be a professional footballer. Maybe sometimes I don't have the right support and finance to get there. Feedback is good and sometimes bad on my overall freestyle, you know. Some places I go on freestyle, you know, people watch and, you know, most people criticize and most time I get good comments and make a living out of freestyle football, you know. Can do events, professional freestyle events, you know, participate in the Red Bull Freestyle Challenge, street football. Anyway, can take me a long way.
Some would ask why freestyle and not professional football.
No, not like that. You know, most freestyler can play ball. Yeah, me like balance both. Can play ball and can freestyle. But freestyle, I feel like freestyle on my way out. If it's not professional football, it's professional freestyle.
But Mandrage has played in the East da Costa Cup competition where he represented Happy Grove.
My time at Happy Grove, start playing Da Costa Cup from 8th grade straight up to 11th grade. It was a good experience, you know, we go quarterfinal 2019. It was a good experience for me. Well,
financial support for now comes from his parents, but not all days are the same, as sometimes he's told to get a job.
My mother sometimes tell me to do that. Every time when she get mad, every time when me and her fall out, she tell me that, and you know, it's hard. Sometimes feel like to turn to that, go look at 9 to 5 job and but, you know, freestyle football can take my places and can earn a good income out of it.
And tricks like these don't happen on the first attempt.
Well,
sometimes it takes hours, maybe 2, perfect one skill. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, but better one skill. You know, you just got to be consistent with that one skill every day.
He has done a few shows across Jamaica, but would love to do them on a regular basis.
Well, I've been to Kingston, freestyling. Kingston, Mobile. Just Kingston, Mobile, I've been to freestyle events and such. Yeah, you can find me on my Instagram and my TikTok. My Instagram page and my TikTok page, the same name. I am John Q 1771.
Tell me full story, how much it can cost?
Yeah, it would cost you maybe like roughly 40 to 50K for a freestyling event, you know, hour or more.